Hi there, kids. Have you ever wondered where the rain comes from? Or where the water in your glass has been? Today, we're going to learn about the amazing journey of water in the water cycle. It all starts with the sun. When the sun heats up water in rivers, lakes, and oceans, the water turns into vapor and floats up into the sky. This is called evaporation. Plants also play a part. They take up water from the ground through their roots and release it into the air from their leaves. This is called transpiration. As the water vapor rises high into the sky, it cools down and turns back into tiny water droplets, forming clouds. This process is called condensation. When the clouds get too heavy with water droplets, they release the water as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. This is called precipitation. The water then collects in rivers, lakes, oceans, and even in the ground. Some of it will flow back to the ocean, and some will be taken up by plants again. And the whole cycle starts all over. And that's the water cycle. It's a never-ending journey that keeps water moving all around our planet. Isn't it amazing? Thanks for watching. Remember, the water you drink today might have been a raindrop in a cloud yesterday. See you next time for more fun science adventures. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.